My name is Hilary Markley. I graduated from TCU in May of 2014 with a degree in fashion merchandising. I'm an account executive in the wholesale apparel industry. I went into TCU as a business major, accounting, absolutely loved it, but just knew that it wasn't where I wanted to be for the rest of my life, for my career. So started the fashion program with a business minor, and I said to my parents, this is what I love to do and I will find a career out of it. I haven't looked back since, and TCU definitely helped me find this side of a passion that I love to do. Everything happens for a reason and everything works out. I think that being able to follow your passion and do what you love, you can't go wrong, and that's why people succeed and do well, because they're doing what they love. Look at me now, I've been doing this for 10 years and now partner of a company, and I have TCU to thank for that. Go Frogs!